In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook cover photo in Canva. We'll start inside Canva with a Facebook cover template, so the size is already perfect and your design displays correctly on desktop and mobile. Open a template you like, or start with a blank layout if you want full control. Once your canvas is open, head to the Elements panel. This is where you'll find shapes, frames, graphics, and more. Search for frames and choose a circle frame. Frames let you drop photos inside and have them automatically crop to the shape, which keeps everything clean and consistent. Resize the circle by dragging the corner handles until it feels balanced for your layout. Then position it toward the left side of the cover. Leaving some space on the right gives your text and graphics room to breathe and helps create a clear visual hierarchy. Now add your image. You can upload a photo or pick one from Canva's library. Drag the image onto the circle frame until it snaps inside. Double-click if you want to adjust the crop so your subject is centered and well framed. Next, add your text. Go to the text panel and choose Add a Heading. Type your name, brand, or a short tagline. Keep it concise so it remains readable on smaller screens. Change the font or color to match your style. High contrast between the text and background is key for legibility. You can bold specific words to create emphasis and guide the viewer's eye. Resize and reposition the text so it complements the photo and aligns with your overall layout. Use Canva's alignment guides to keep spacing consistent. If you need finer control, open the advanced settings and adjust line spacing. Tighter spacing can make headlines feel unified, while looser spacing can add a lighter, airier look. Just keep it readable. Head back to Elements and browse graphics that fit your profile or brand. Click See All to view more options, then drag your chosen elements onto the canvas. Resize them and place them thoughtfully so they support, not clutter, your message. You can add a few accents or details to reinforce your theme. Think subtle icons, shapes, or dividers. Finally, change the background color to something that works with your photo and text. Neutral backgrounds make text pop, while brand colors help with recognition. Aim for balance and clarity. That's it. Your Facebook cover photo is ready in Canva. With a strong photo, clear typography, and just a few well-placed elements, you'll have a polished, professional look that represents you perfectly.